get much colder than that.
Yep.
That's good. He keeps an eye on the church.
Yeah.
It's okay.
Yeah, that was pretty nice. We got to meet that nice capacitor.
Yeah. I met him once before at Marilyn's house because she was an every week church member at this church until she got sick, and then she didn't even remember her people and stuff. She got that dementia where her brain doesn't work right anymore. Sometimes she didn't know who I was. She didn't know who one of her two sons was. One of them she knew, one of them she didn't. Isn't that crazy?
Yeah.
She kept calling them other names and saying, "What are you doing here?" She said, "I came to cut your grass." "Oh, well, that's nice of you."
258.
I think a couple of times when he came, it seemed like it was a couple minutes after, so we won't worry if it's a couple minutes late.
Yeah.
It probably depends how you set the clock and if they've adjusted it.
Yeah. Or their bells might just be set on their own kind of clock.
Yeah, they probably have a timer.
Yeah.
Because nobody wants to have to remember to run and set the bells off at a certain time.
Yeah.
That's why you remember not to talk while you're recording.
Yeah.
It's hard to remember to be quiet when somebody's recording.
Yeah. I don't really mind it that much, though.
Maybe you want me to hoop and holler.
Not during the bell session, though. Some sort of
walked into a spider
cottonwood
this morning
thing
on my porch. I was going from, like across the porch, and I walked right into it, and then I'm always afraid there's a spider crawling on me. I didn't find one, but who knows? Well, I should tell your mom we got the message. I didn't reply to it.
I didn't want to get that guy on the video. The mail truck driver.
Oh, you have it on already?
Yeah. Just in case it goes off a minute or so early. My watch says at 3 o'clock right now. There they go.